earlier class, I have told that there are three primary colors. All of you know?
Yes.
These are red, blue and yellow. These are the three primary colors. And if we mix these colors, then we can form new colors with these.
Wow.
So we had made orange color in our earlier class, and we had made green color also. We had mixed blue and yellow, okay, and then we made green color, and when we mixed red and yellow, then it became orange color.
Now we are making purple.
Yes, now we will be making purple color. So Divyanshi is there and Myra is there. So we will be making purple. Divyanshi, color it with red. Color it with red. Harika, wait. Harika, we will be giving you. Myra, color this box with red. Color this box with red. Color this box with red. This box. Arya, color this box with red. Color it with red color. Quickly do it. Quickly do it. We are giving you. Okay, Harika, we are giving you one paper. Okay. Divyanshi, please get one paper for Harika from there. Any paper you can bring from there. Quickly color. Myra, quickly do it. Okay, give this paper to her.
No.
Acha, plain paper. Give her plain paper. Okay. Okay, I will be giving you. Quickly do it. Okay, now color it with blue color. Okay? Now color it with blue.
I'm done.
Yes. Now you also color it with blue. Now Harika, you have this. Okay? I'll give this blue color to you. Okay. Fill it up. Myra, do with this. Myra, do with this. Okay. Harika, color it. Quickly fill it up. Fast. Yes. Now what you do? You dip both these papers in water. This is red color and blue color. Dip it like this. Dip it. Now, Harika, please. Now it will turn purple. Just see, it's changing into purple color. It's changing into... Wait, Harika, you have spoiled it. We will give you another one, okay? Just see the color changing. It's turning purple. So tell me, if we mix red and blue color, then what color it becomes? It becomes purple color. Okay. Yes. And if we mix yellow and red, then it becomes orange. And if we mix yellow and blue, then which color becomes? It turns into green color. Yes, see, it's dark purple now. Wow, very good.